Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Before starting the lesson, I will ask you some question. And where the question starts, it's the first point, that is preparation. So my first question is, raise your hands, not speak loudly, not haphazard, only raise your hands. Tell me, which student recently visited the shop or the market area? Anybody who has recently visited the market area? Yes? Yes? Yes. Shweta has recently visited the market area. Which market you have visited, Shweta?
Ma'am, near Raj Theatre, Fun Bites.
Fine bites. Very good. Sit down. Now tell me, from whom you are from, with you have visited the market. You have gone alone or someone else? Or someone with else, or with your family members? Yes, Shweta?
Ma'am, with someone else, my friend.
Your friend. Very good. In this small age you have visited with your friend?
Yes, ma'am, we take a bus and...
Okay, sit down. Anybody else who has visited the market or shop with their parents or guardians? Yes? Tell me, raise your hands. Yes? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yes?
Ma'am, I will visit to vegetable market
Vegetable market. You have visited vegetable market with whom?
with my mother.
With your mother. Very good. Now tell me, what you have brought from vegetable market?
Ma'am, tomato.
Tomatoes. Very good. Tomatoes you have. And what, something else?
Ma'am, potato also.
Potato also. Very good. It means you buy your daily need items from market area, like vegetable market or commercial market or any mall. You buy your daily need things from market area. Now tell me, who has given or who has paid money to the shopkeeper?
Mother.
Yes? No? No collective answering? Raise your hands. Yes? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Anybody from first row? Yes?
My mother.
Your mother paid to the shopkeeper. Okay, it means the guardians or the parents is with you that paid to the shopkeeper. What kind of currency will be paid by your parents to the shopkeeper? Yes? No collective answering? Yes?
Rupees.
Very good. Rupees. Good. So, rupees are used by us for doing shopping or to give the shopkeeper. Now tell me, how many other kind of currencies we use in the world for exchange? Yes? Anybody? Yes? Yes.
And we use dollars, euros, dinar.
Okay. Yes. So he has answered that we use dollars, euros and dinars in all over the world. But do we use these dollars and dinars in India?
No.
Okay. So our today's topic is money and its type. Money and its types. So, what is money? Money is used as a commodity for exchange the goods. Write in your copies that what is money. Start writing with me. Money is a commodity which is used in exchange of any good. Okay, money is a commodity which is used in exchange of any good. Yet, further is who designed this money? In India, we use as we live in India, RBI means Reserve Bank of India. And you are from class 6, so please keep quiet. Reserve Bank of India. Behave like a 6th class student. Reserve Bank of India is the department who design money for us. Now I will tell you a short yes. What are you saying here? This is an Indian currency in which you will see a 2 rupees coin, rupees note and a 50 rupees note as a specimen. Okay? So in India we use paper money like 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees and short coins like 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 10 rupee. So we use metallic money and as well as paper money in India. Before going further, I will tell you the different kinds of monies we use all over the world from historic point of view, from history to till today. So, everybody see on the chart money and its types. So, the first type is the barter system. Firstly, I will tell you what is barter system. The first type is barter system. Barter system. So, what you are seeing in this, what is this? Apple. So, how it is a money? In ancient times or in early times, people use the commodities to exchange use goods for exchanging in another goods. So, exchange of goods. Exchange of goods. Like, if you want an apple, you will give me some fruit and I will give you that apple. Or if you want salt, you have to give me some grains and I will give you the salt. Because at that time, salt is not available in the packets like today's time. People have to brought that salt from far areas like from beaches or that areas. So they have to travel long to the hills to brought that salt. So at that time, people give grains or any other commodity to buy salt or any other thing. So in that time, people used to buy clothes in exchange of their grains or any other crop that they grow in that area, or in the area that they live, the crop that grown in that area, they will give that to the people who brought salt or other things, or to the sailors. So this is the first type, that is barter system. The second main is the gold. Now this is a gold earrings that I have right now is wearing. But this gold is also used as like a money. So commodities like gold, silver is also used in that ancient period in exchange of goods, or the kings used to give gold in exchange of grains to their kingdom. So if farmers are giving food to the kingdom, the king is used to give gold in sense of in exchange of grains or something like else. If you giving a youth, or if you do something good in front of kings, they used to give gold and silver in that case also. Okay, so gold and silver is also used as money, and today's time also we use gold as a precious item or as a precious metal, and it is very costly. Now the next is the metal coins. So the next and third part is the metal coins. So what are the metal coins? So the gold is very precious, and it is very expensive. So it is not the type of it is not every cup of spoon. So the government or the Britishers, when came into existence, they used the metallic coins like steel. Now we see a 2 rupees coin, a 1 rupee coin, a 10 rupee coin, and a 20 rupee coin in the shape of these silver metals or steel metals. That have a less value. A steel has a less value, but in the shape of 1 rupee and 2 rupee, they have a special existence, and we give it to the shopkeeper. Likewise, if she is a shop, if this is a shop, if this bench is a shop, and if I have to buy this copy, I give her the 3 rupees coin to her and give this copy, and she will give, and this shopkeeper will give the copy to me. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the next one is the paper money. So now we will write side by side that I have written in these points. The next is the paper money. The paper money. So what is paper? Paper is used to bring from trees, and if it is a paper, do it has a value?
No.
What value it has? No? Or 20 paisa or 1 paisa. Okay? But if I will show you this paper, what the value it has? Raise your hands. Raise your hand. Yes? 100 rupees. Very good and very well said that this money has, this paper has 100 rupees value, and that is very high from your pocket money. You all used to kept money in your piggy banks?
Yes, ma'am.
No collective answering. Answer only, raise your hands and then answer. Who will, which one of you have piggy bank? Yes, raise your hands. Yes. Do you have a piggy bank?
Yes, ma'am.
How much money do you have in your piggy bank?
Ma'am, 100 rupees.
100 rupees. Very good. Who has give you these 100 rupees?
Ma'am, all my relatives.
Okay, very good. Sit down. So, if now you will see there is a paper like this and there is a paper like this, they both have different value. So, this paper, or in Indian currency, this money is given by RBI. You have seen RBI, Reserve Bank of India, that I have early shown you. Okay? Now I will tell you that in Indian currency we have a photograph of Mahatma Gandhi. In each and every note of Indian currency we have the photo of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as, yes, raise your hand. Very good.
Father of nation.
Father of the nation. Very good. Now I will tell you how many languages are there on this note. Yes? Do you know how many languages?
No, ma'am.
Okay. There is an activity for you. Stand. Now, just explore this and count how many languages are there in this note. Yes, very good, very good. Fast. 15. Very good. Yes, there is 15 languages, but in addition, Hindi and English also 16 and 17. So total 17 languages are there, or are 17 languages are in Indian currency, are on Indian currency. Each note has 17 currencies. 15 other languages and 2 English and Hindi. So total is 17. Now the next one is the electric money. Plastic money. So now I will tell you how your plastic money is used. Fifth one is plastic money. Plastic money or plastic cards. Okay. Now, do you see these kind of cards in your mother's purse or in your father's wallet?
Yes,
ma'am. No collectively answering. Raise your hand and then answer. Do you have seen? Yes, raise your hands. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Which bank's card is available in your mother's purse or in your father's wallet? J&K. So I have also a J&K bank. Have you used this ATM card?
No,
ma'am.
No. I will show you how your parents use these cards in ATM. So I have a dummy ATM here and I will show you how you have to use these ATM. So here there is a dummy ATM for you. Always when your father and mother wants money, they will go to the ATM and they put their ATM in this in this and dial their secret pass, and then here they get the money. This money is a silver or metallic. They will in journal ATMs you will also get a paper money like this and metallic money like this. So in next time when your parents go to the market, you will also go to the market and visit your nearby ATM. Now the next money is the electric money. The electric money is also used. Electric money There are different kinds of apps that your parents have in your mobile phone, like phone pay, right? Phone pay, Bharat Pay or Google Pay, by which they will transfer money from their phone to any shopkeeper or someone else. So in this way we will use electric money, and a new money, that is cryptocurrency, that is also being used now in India. Till this currency is not valid, but in all over the world people used to buy cryptocurrency in an electric manner. Okay. Likewise, you have your cash in ATM or banks. You will buy this cryptocurrency by your own money, and they will multiply according to the Sensex. Okay. So it's a long topic. I will not tell you the cryptocurrency what is and what is format. All the other type of currency we have studied till now. Do you have any difficulty or any questions? No. So today we have discussed about the money and its types. Money and its type, in which we have studied the barter system, in which the people pay by goods to buy a commodity, any commodity, and then the gold or the silver, then the metallic coins, the paper money, the plastic card, electronic money, and the cryptocurrency. So I have some questions for you, and you have to answer that questions. Anyone from the class, come here to hold this. Yes, anyone, come here. Hold this chart. I will ask you some questions, and you all have to answer these questions, and only raise your hands. Exchange of goods is known as dash type of money. Yes, raise your hands. No. Come here and write it on the board. Yes, I will give you the marker. Yes. Come, very good. Write it on the board. Very good. You got the star. Now, my next question is, in dash period, barter system is used. Yes? Come here and write it on the board. Yes, very good. You got the ice cream.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, true and false. ATM is used for shopping. Raise your hands. True or false? Very good. Very good. I will tap it for this answer. Next, dollar is used in India. Yes? dollar is used in India? True or false? You got the star. Very good. Now my next question is, cash is used for shopping. True or false? Yes? Very good. Cash is used for shopping. No. Cash is used for shopping. True or false?
Ma'am, ATM is used for shopping.
ATM is used to debit the money. हम अपने आप पैसे निकालने के लिए एटीएम का यूज करते हैं, शॉपिंग के लिए नहीं। शॉपिंग के लिए तो हम किसका यूज करते हैं? कैश का। हम शॉपकीपर को क्या देते हैं? एटीएम दे देते हैं? नहीं ना देते हैं। क्या देते हैं? कैश देते हैं। ये क्या आंसर होगा? ट्रू। Very good. Now my next question is, currency is designed by RBI, SBI or by government? Yes, raise your hands. Yes, come here. What is the correct answer? Very good. You got the smiley. My next question is, which photo is used on the currency? Yes? No, here. महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर और अरविंदो घोष. Yes, you got the star. Very good. Now sit down. So today we have discussed all about money and style, and your homework, your today's homework is, you all have to write and paste the pictures of different kinds of money that we use from ancient time to till time. You all have to paste the pictures in your notebook and label it, that what kind of money is that. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
अब हम ये देखेंगे कि कहाँ पर कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स आए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जहाँ मैंने आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछे वहाँ क्या था? प्रिपरेशन पार्ट। हम क्या कर रहे थे? फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या था? प्रिपरेशन, जहाँ मैंने आपसे मोटिवेशनल क्वेश्चंस पूछे। सेकेंड पार्ट कौन सा होता है? प्रेजेंटेशन। सो प्रेजेंटेशन पार्ट में मैंने आपको विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ चार्ट एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ मॉडल, वर्किंग मॉडल, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट ऑल काइंड ऑफ मनी, and in that also I will ask you some questions for just to alert the students that we are studying something. Okay, next, generalization. In generalization, I closure or sum up your closure of the topic with the help of chart, and in that part I rub all of the things that I have written here, and then and at the end we have I have concluded all the items that we have studied by this chart. Then recapitulation. I have asked you some questions in that recapitulation part and you have answered that question, and in last is application part. In application part I use this rolling board and you all have answered, or you all are answered these questions. Okay, तो आपका ये टॉपिक यहीं पे फिनिश। अब अगर किसी को ये अप्रोच समझ में नहीं आई हो